Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Designing with Owl and Hale Navy, a Parisian apartment tour. There's a reason we're all a little obsessed with Parisian apartments. It's that effortless balance of old-world character and cool modern edge. The secret is being intentional, not perfect. For this design, the foundation is Benjamin Moore's Gray Owl, a soft, warm gray that feels like a breath of fresh air. Anchoring it all is Hale Navy, a deep, elegant hue that adds quiet drama. Together, they create a palette that's both serene and sophisticated. Let's walk through how this combo brings a Parisian apartment to life, room by room. The classic Parisian facade sets the tone with wrought iron details and tall arched windows. In the courtyard garden, the walls wear a dusty version of Gray Owl that mirrors the Parisian sky. A simple bistro set in weathered navy provides a pop of color, hinting at what's to come inside. Boxwoods and climbing ivy soften the hardscape, their deep green leaves playing off the navy accents. It's a small space, but it feels like a private, serene escape. This outdoor moment perfectly prepares you for the style within. Gray Owl immediately makes this narrow entry feel wider and brighter. A sleek console table in dark wood anchors the space with a vintage-inspired mirror above. The Hale Navy makes its first bold statement on the front door itself. A natural jute runner adds texture without competing with the color palette. A small brass pendant light casts a warm glow that makes the navy door gleam. It's a welcoming arrival that sets the tone for the entire apartment. Gray Owl bathes the living room in soft light, highlighting details like herringbone floors and ceiling medallions. The anchor is a velvet sofa in Hale Navy, luxurious, grounding, and surprisingly versatile. Layered textures like a chunky knit throw and linen pillows keep the look casual and inviting. A large wool rug in a natural tone ties the seating area together. Black and white photography in simple frames leans against the wall for that effortlessly cool Parisian touch. Brass and iron accents complete the space with timeless character. We're flipping the script here. Hale Navy takes the wall behind the bed, creating a dramatic focal point. The remaining walls stay Gray Owl, keeping the room from feeling too dark or enclosed. Crisp white bedding with textured linen shams provides a perfect balance to the deep navy. Brass sconces mounted on the navy wall free up bedside space and add warm ambient light. A simple wooden bench at the foot of the bed brings in natural warmth. The result is a cocoon-like sanctuary that feels both bold and restful. Gray Owl walls create a neutral stage, but Hale Navy appears on interior cabinet trim for a subtle pop. A reclaimed wood table anchors the space, surrounded by a mix of vintage caneback chairs. A sculptural brass chandelier hangs low, its reflective surface playing off the navy accents. Large-scale artwork with strokes of both navy and gray ties the palette together. The look feels curated over time, not bought in a weekend. It's a backdrop designed for memorable dinners and lively conversation. Upper walls in Gray Owl keep the kitchen feeling airy and open. Lower cabinetry in Hale Navy adds a bold, jewel box character. Honed white marble countertops bridge the two colors with subtle gray veining. Unlacquered brass hardware will develop a natural patina, adding soul over time. Open shelving in light oak displays simple white ceramics and small potted herbs. This two-tone approach feels fresh, functional, and undeniably Parisian. Gray Owl on the majority of walls maximizes light and makes the space feel larger. The vanity takes center stage in Hale Navy, adding a dose of rich elegance. A large mirror with a thin black frame reflects light beautifully. Classic basketweave marble tile keeps the floor timeless and understated. Plush towels in cream and gray add softness and warmth. A small teak stool brings in an organic spa-like finishing touch.